Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3 of our Unity rolling die series. Today, we are making our dice system more interactive by adding a roll button, a UI text display, and improving our logic. Let's jump right in. First, we need a button to roll the dice. In the hierarchy, go to UI, button and rename it to roll button. Import button image and text background image to project folder. Remember to set texture type to sprite and UI. And sprite mode to single. Now, let's assign a custom image to the button. Select Roll button. In the inspector, find the image component. Enable Preserve Aspect. Adjust the size and position. Now, our button looks great, but we need to make it functional. We need to remove the spawn dice function from start function. Okay, now the dice is not spawned at the start. Next, let's connect the button to our dice system. Select the roll button, go to the inspector, and scroll down to the OnClick event. Drag dice spawner object into the object field. Drag dice spawner from the scene into the event slot. From the drop-down, select dice spawner spawn dice. Now, whenever we click the roll button, it will trigger our dice spawner. Now, we need to display the dice value instead of printing it in the console. Let's add UI text. In hierarchy, go to UI, text and rename it dice result text. Add an image, UI, image, behind it as a background. Assign your custom PNG as the image source in the inspector. Now, let's modify our dice script to reference the UI text and update it when the dice stops rolling. Now, instead of using debug log, we call display result to display the dice value on the UI. Go to dice spawner script, assign dice result text object to the spawned dice. Assign text UI to dice spawner object. Okay, let's check it out. Wow, beautiful error. No worry, we will see what happens and fix right now. Double click on the error line, it will show exactly where caused the bug. The compiler doesn't recognize the text mesh component, so we'll check the text UI to see if there are any text mesh components. The component is text, not text mesh. Let's fix it. Congratulations, you are indeed a skilled developer. If we roll again, we don't want multiple dice cluttering the scene. Let's fix that in our dice spawner script. We destroy the old dice before spawn new one. Now, when we roll again, the previous dice gets removed before spawning a new one. But the text looks so small. Increase text size. Perfect. Let's test it. And that's it. Our dice system now has a roll button, UI text display, and a proper logic flow. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Unity tutorials. See you in the next tutorial.